Namaste, I'm Angpurba Sherpa. My permanent address is Solukhumbu. Now I'm staying in Bouda. Now we have agriculture farm and we are making organic fertilizer. This like a earthworm. Like this. So it is it's ready like 30 days. After 30 days, not 30 days. It is 90 to 120 days. It will ready. Then we will take out here, and we we maintain the moisture. So we pack it and then we sell to market. And we have 170 cow, and we produce organic vegetable also, and we have milk byproduct also like paneer, curd, like khua and raspberry, lal mohan, and sweets. We have some sweets also. So so before I work in Israel 8 years. There also I work agriculture sector. So that's knowledge I utilize here. So in Nepal. So now we have like 16 staff and with me, and we are working together. And it is what I why I start here. That's we must develop our country. We must produce our country. So I'm now 40 years old. So all the young people are going outside foreign. So what I request to young people that work your country and produce something and develop your country. Don't wait for your government. Government don't do nothing. Don't wait. But we must do, because we are how say we are our country. So we must do something for our country and people. So we are giving good quality and cheap price. Thank you.
भेरी गुड तपाईँको त एकदम राम्रो रहेछ तपाईँको एकदमै राम्रो छ भेरी गुड जानकार ल